What's going on? Rob back with another video from Rob Garage. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Today we're going to be sandblasting this fender, cleaning up all the rust. In the last video we welded the new piece on the bottom here, and yeah, we're going to sandblast this whole lip here and all in behind this lip that I had previously rolled, and hopefully I can flatten that back out without too many ripples in it, but that's not a big deal. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the sandblaster I'm going to be using, I bought for about like 60 bucks or something, 80 bucks a few years ago. It's honestly perfect for the job. It does it, no issues with it. Yeah, I've no need to buy anything more expensive than the cheapest sandblaster you can find. It's super simple. Dump the sand in, you're good to go. You don't need anything fancy for this type of work. I've loved it, and I don't have any intentions on buying anything else at any time soon. The only thing, I mean, it is a small nozzle, so if you're doing a really large surface, like say you wanted to blast a whole car, yeah, you're gonna need something bigger, but for any type of DIY stuff, I highly recommend just getting a cheap sandblaster. The reason is you can grind this down, whatever, but it's all the rust is pitted in the metal. I just prefer to sandblast because of, you know, it's not that hard to do. It's a little bit messy, but in reality, it's for the cost of it, it's well worth just doing it. So yeah, let's get into it. See how it's pitted into the metal there? That's why grinding it down, you gotta take too much off and you'll end up with no material left. Yeah, she's pretty messy, but looks good. A few more spots to touch up underneath here. The one problem is I'm battling a compressor that I'm spraying more air than it's putting out, so you do have to kind of stop every little bit and let the compressor build back up. Gotta do a little more here. And then get to the other side. I started grinding with a wire wheel around here. This is kind of rusty. I don't know that I'm going to sandblast all of this. I'll probably wire wheel most of it though, because there's little rust spots everywhere. And then I got to sandblast the inside of this corner and make sure that I don't have to cut that bottom piece out and remake it. And then obviously get down inside that lip all the way. And I'll paint that and seal it and fold the lip back over. Yeah, that's why I prefer this method, because look at how clean you get that. Okay, so we got this piece sandblasted. There's a couple odd spots to still touch up, but other than that, I got this whole lip blasted. I'm really just debating right now how far I want to go with the blasting. There's kind of surface rust all around this piece, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna have to probably wire wheel the whole back of this to at least clean it up the best I can, and then I'll spray some sort of sealer on there to treat the rust, and hopefully it doesn't come back anytime soon. But yeah, there's the finished product so far. I don't know if you can see down underneath that lip, but I managed to clean the whole thing up. That's it for this video. Remember, it's only body work. You can do it again. It's no big deal. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.